Hey guys, excuse me, Dixville Notch, New Hampshire. This right along the road here, these wet spots, known as wallows, are where the moose come. And the reason why is because they like the salt. The road salt from all winter long comes off, comes into here, and they need a lot of salt. So I just wanted to come down here and show you. It's so interesting because you don't see this unless you're up in this area. These are all moose tracks. Just for like size reference here. So size-wise, the male is larger than the female. They can stand 6.5 feet at the shoulder, which is crazy. And they can weigh as much as 12 to 1,400 pounds. I'll come by here this evening and see if I can actually get us a view of the swamp donkey.